In this tethering setup, we're gearing up to go out on location with the DigiSystem from Innovative, which all starts with the DigiPlate. Now, the DigiPlate itself is a Swiss plate, essentially, that's highly customizable, and it's made from aircraft-grade aluminum, so it's really durable and it's gonna last a long time. The first thing that you'll notice is that it has these feet here on the bottom, so you're able to put it on a table like this, or even mount this plate itself on a tripod. And you'll notice here that we have a side mouse plate. If you're someone that likes to use a mouse, this is an accessory that you can put on either on the right or left-hand side. Because the system itself is made of these cheese plates, you are able to customize it and also mount a lot of things to it. So we can put the mouse pad, if you're left-handed, on the left side. We can completely get rid of the mouse pad if you just want to use the trackpad. But the idea here is you can really mount anything you want to it. Different size hard drives with different spacers and different items that fit your workflow. Now, the other thing that you'll notice on this side is that we have our G drive mounted underneath that is close to the USB 3 and also the Thunderbolt ports itself. So you can see how easy it is to customize by quickly taking the mouse pad off. And we can put that into our DigiCase Pro here. And with the DigiCase Pro, you can completely customize the inserts in the middle to make room for the gear that you need. The gear that we're going to be taking with us today is the iPad, so we can shoot and have our client see the files on location through our wireless setup. We're going to have our mouse pad, to have a charger cable for the iPad. And because of where we're going, we're not going to have access to power. We want to bring an additional charger that can charge any PC or Mac for a couple extra hours should you need. This is a 12,000 milliamp device that charges your iOS devices, your Android devices, and really any computer. So we're going to put this in and we don't have to bring our Apple charger with us. So the system itself really has two functions. One, it can stand alone on a table or on a tripod itself with a lot of different features that you can add on. Two, it does fit easily right in the case that it comes with if you need to work on location and this is your preferred method to shoot tethered to. Now, it also comes with the sunshade, which you see here, so you can work without having an extensive amount of glare in your workflow. And again, this entire system breaks down and fits in the case that it comes with, which also has wheels, so if you want to travel, let's say through an airport, you can wheel this thing through the airport, carry it on, it is carry-on size, and you're basically ready to go once you get there on location.